Hello, beautiful people, wherever you are. Greetings from me, Nyabwanse teacher. Today is a fine day. We thank the Almighty God for giving us this chance to be here. So it has been a while, but today I'm going to make a video on. Today I'm going to teach a bit of English, especially adjectives. But I want to say that I got a bit of an accident. You can see one of my tooth is not complete, but I think I'm okay. We thank God because of everything, because of His mercies, because you are alive, and kicking. So as you can see, I'm in my house, just ready to deliver content to my subscribers so that they can gain something today. I would like to appreciate my subscribers wherever you are, in whichever country you are. Receive my greetings. Thank you for returning subscribers, my community that always come back to my channel. Thank you very much. Today I feel nice, I feel good. The environment is clean, is serene, is beautiful, silent and quiet. And village environment. Thank you very much. I'm going straight to the point. I would like you to watch the video up to the end. Today we're going to learn about nationality adjectives that will help you to identify a country of your origin. I'm going to pick a selective number of the countries, a few countries that usually give people troubles, so that when you speak or you visit a particular country, you will enjoy, and you'll also have the knowledge. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel, like, share whatever you can share, so that you can reach 1,000 subscribers. Thank you very much. Let us go straight to the point and learn. You can see nationality. The theme today is tricky nationality adjectives. Nationality adjectives are words that describe the origin or nationality of a person or thing. They tell us where someone is from. So if I'm a Kenyan, then that means the country is the noun is Kenya, but the adjective is Kenyan. So that means I come from Kenya. So these are words that describe the origin or nationality of a person or thing. They tell us where someone is from. So as you can see, today we're talking about adjectives. And the key function of adjectives is description. So they describe the origin or nationality of a person or a thing. If I come from Uganda, I say I am a Ugandan. So when I say Ugandan, then the Ugandan means I come from Uganda. It is describing my origin, where I come from. We're going to see some examples in a few. Can look at these examples. For example, a person from Kenya is a Kenyan. A person from Japan is Japanese. A person from Brazil is Brazilian. So those are a few examples of nationality adjectives that we can study, that can help us to learn the particular countries, people from Japan, people from Brazil. I hope that when I mention your country, you will be watching my video. Please remember to comment your country or comment where you come from. So I have other examples. I think in this video I'm just going to show you around 10 examples of these nationality adjectives so that you learn them. You can check, you can see. You can see the countries, the country. We have country and nationality adjectives. You can look at these countries and adjective. You can look at Kenya. Somebody from Kenya is a Kenyan. Somebody from Nigeria is Nigerian. Ghana, somebody from Ghana is Ghanaian. Somebody from Morocco is a Moroccan. Netherlands, the Dutch. Switzerland, the Swiss. Thailand, Thai. Philippines, Filipino or Filipina. Mexico, Mexican. New Zealand, New Zealander or Kiwi. So you can check this column here. This column here. This column is country. This column is adjectives. So this column here is nouns. These ones are adjectives. These ones are adjectives because they describe these ones. They describe the citizen. So they describe the origin of a person. We continue. We have Brazil, Argentina, Norway, Luxembourg, Seychelles, Madagascar, Finland, Sweden, and Germany. All these ones are nouns. The others, Brazilian, Argentine, Norwegian, Luxembourgish, Seychelles, Malagasy, Finnish, Swedish, these ones are adjectives. They're adjectives because they describe people that come from these countries. So as you can see, these ones are countries, and these ones are the noun, the adjectives that describe these countries. So as usual, as we did previously, somebody from Brazil is a Brazilian. Somebody from Argentina is an Argentine. Yeah, so somebody from Argentina is an Argentine or Argentinian. Somebody from Norway is a Norwegian. Somebody from Luxembourg is Luxembourgish. Yeah, this country is Luxembourg. The person comes from the country is a Luxembourgish. It's tricky to pronounce, but we try. Somebody from Seychelles is Seychellois. Somebody from Madagascar is a Malagasy. Malagasy. Somebody from Finland, the person is Finnish. Somebody from Sweden, the person is Swedish. Somebody from Germany is a German. So these ones are people. These are words used to describe the people, while these ones are countries, in that order. So that is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. This is Nyabohanse Teacher again. Please remember to subscribe. If you found the information useful, please remember to subscribe to Nyabohanse Teacher, like, share, and comment, suggest, recommend, so that we improve daily. Every time is an improvement. We improve daily on a daily basis. Next time we're going to learn other things. I think I wanted to anticipate to learn the tenses. I had started on the past tense, so the simple past, so I'm going to continue the other tenses, anticipate more. I want you to learn. Right now in our country, it's a holiday. I think in other countries, it's also a holiday. These lessons can be very invaluable for your child on holiday. Yeah, they are available for free because I know there are people that charge teaching these kinds of lessons. I'm going to try to do my best so that I keep posting every day or every time so that you learn the moment, the time, when the time elapses, you shall learn a lot. Thank you very much. Big up to everyone from those countries that I've mentioned. Please remember to comment your country of origin so that we know where you come from. Personally, I'm a Kenyan, East Africa. Thank you very much. Kenya is in Africa, particularly East Africa region here in our country. I come from Nyabohanse village. I am Nyabohanse Teacher. Thank you for watching. Keep it up. Holland.